So we are going to talk about the Linux or Unix folder structure. Okay, so if you can see in the right side, the my Mac terminals is there. Okay, so here we can see whatever we are presenting in left side in graphical way. Okay, so the first one is the Linux or Unix folder structure. So the first folder structure is the first folders of the Linux, yeah, Unix operating system is the slash. Okay, so slash is the first repository of the Linux or Unix operating system. You can see the slash is the first. Then yeah, you can say also for the slash, technically we can say root. Yeah, we can say a starting point of Linux, yeah, Unix folder structure. Okay, a starting point of Linux or Unix folder structure. Inside the slash, one more folder is called, like inside the slash one more folder is called user. Yeah, you can say home and user both are same actually. So inside the slash one more is called home, yeah, user, home, yeah, user. Okay, inside the home or user one more folder is called, inside the home user one more folder is called local user. Okay, oh sorry, local user. Just I am taking yeah, local user. So what is my local user? Now we can see pwd. So my local user is the Balmiki Mandal. So this is my local user. Okay, just I am taking this one to here. Okay, this is my local user. Okay, inside the local user, lot many of the folders are there. So right now I'm creating one more like folder mkdir. I will give the name to C programming. Okay, I am creating one more folder is called, you can see the yeah, you can see the C program. Okay, inside the local user I am going to create one more folder is the yeah, yeah, inside the local user I am going to create one more folder is C programming. Okay, C programming, sorry. Okay, okay, now it's fine. So the first we can see the first repository of Linux or Unix file system is the slash. The first repository of the Linux or Unix file system is the slash. So that slash technically called as the root, yeah, we can say the starting point of Linux or Unix file system. Okay, then after that home, yeah, user will come. Home or user both are same actually. And after that home, yeah, user one more folder is called local user. My local user name is the Balmiki. If you say in the top, inside the local user lot many of the folder structures are there. So I created one more folder called C programming. If you can see, just I have to make the big. Okay, so this is the folder structure of the any Linux, yeah, Unix. So first one is the slash. So how to see the slash? Where means like right now we are in the Balmiki, means like in the local user. Okay, so just I want to go to the slash. So how to go? Just I will change the path, then I will go to the back, then cd, and you can see right now is the slash. This is the root, and we can technically call it the starting point of the Linux or Unix folder structure. So this is the starting point of the Linux or Unix folder structure. Okay, and inside the means like means inside the root there are lots of folder structures are there. So those are comes by default. We no need to create, like in window when you are installing Windows OS operating system, also some of the default folder are going to be created, like desktop, picture, bin, my PC, download, recycle bin. In the same way, in the Linux, yeah, Unix operating system, some of the default folders are there. All the defaults folder and users and local user and all the user will are there therein only, means like on the root on on the slash only we can see how many are the default folders. So these are the default folder, these are created by default. So we go one by one. Okay, so what is this, what is this? So let me go with one more time with yeah yes, I am going to, yes, it better. Okay, yeah. So if you see here, so the first default folder is called, if you see here, the first default folder is called application, library, bin, system, user. So we are going to take like so we are going to take the bin. Okay, so bin, then lots of folder structures are there. Just I am taking okay, I am taking okay, it's not coming as I am thinking, so I have to take manually only. Okay, then you can see second one. I'm going to take like library, application I will take application. Okay, application, then lots of files are there. I am not going to talk all about this. Okay, so sorry, lots of are there, lots of folder structures are there. Just I'm taking 1 and 2 for the example. After that this is the by default folder. Okay, after that one more folder is called, here we can say we can see. So just I have to put it here, we can yeah, one more folder is called user, yeah, we can say home. Okay, user ya home. After the user ya home, sorry, okay, sorry, after the user ya home. Okay, so see, after the user ya home means user ya home, yeah, after the user ya home, local users are there. So this is my local user, just I am going to put to here. So if you can see, this is my local user. Okay, after the local user, my folder is there. So what is my folder? I created for the C programming, correct? So if you see here, I created for the C programming. C programming. Okay, just I'm making the small C program. This is this all are the repository. I am going to create this, or are created by default only. And one more thing, last I am going to create I'm going to create one more root. Okay, root, and here is the slash is the starting point of repository of the Unix or Linux operating system. So so the next topic is the root user and sudo user. So what does mean of the root user and the sudo user? When might be you heard about the, in Windows might be you heard about the administrator. In Linux, that administrator will call the root. Okay, in Windows you might be know about the administrator login. In Linux you will see the root login. Okay, so what is the root? We'll see what is the root. Suppose for the root, if you want to go the root, then you can do the sudo su. Then one more thing about the Linux or Unix operating system. When you are typing the password, it will not display anything. So whenever you want to go type the password, it will not coming anything. Okay, so as I type the password, now I am in the root user. Okay, so but in Windows it will display like what, star, but here nothing will come. Okay, but in Linux it will display nothing, but internally it will take data. Okay, difference between local user and root user. So what are the differences? Local user don't have some permission, but root user is a privileged user, is having all permission. But for the writing the C program, local user in local user is sufficient. Okay, if you want to write the C program, so for the local user is sufficient. Okay, so how to come out from the local user, means how to come out for the root user. So you can do what you want to do. You can do the exit, then you can come out the means root user to local user. Okay, so yeah, this is means last topic. So root user and local user. So root user have the all the permission. Okay, and this is the folder structure. Okay, so as you can see, once again I will go for pwd. This is the Balmiki, this is my local user, this is home ya user. After, before the home ya user, slash will be there. Slash is the starting point of the file and repository. Okay, as you can see, home, this is the slash home, and just I make one more point to here. Okay, so after that all the files are present, all the repo are present in slash only. So whatever the repository, you can see bin also is there, application also is there, so all are present in ls cd ls, and we are on the Balmiki is a local user. Okay, cd again, I am going to back cd. Now we can see ls pwd is the root user. So here you can see at the root user means slash means at the root, and means at the root all means all the folder structures are present. So some of the folder structures are the by default, so you don't need to create, but in the user ya home your local user will be there. So inside the local user you can create your folder. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.